Imagine a man who could see electricity in his mind before it even existed, who sat alone and designed systems that would one day light up the entire world, and whose ideas were far ahead of his time. This is the incredible true story of Nikola Tesla. He was born on July 10, 1856 in Smiljan, then part of the Austrian Empire, modern-day Croatia. He came from a Serbian family where discipline, religion, and hard work were deeply valued. His father, Nikola Tesla, was an Orthodox priest. He was strict, disciplined, and wanted his son to follow the same path in life. But Nikola's mind was completely different. His mother, Duka Mandic, was an extremely intelligent woman. Even without formal education, she could build household tools and solve practical problems with ease. Tesla often said that his creativity came from her. His grandfather, also named Nikola Tesla, had a military background and was known for his bravery and discipline, which shaped the family environment. He was the fourth of 5 children. He had an older brother named Dane and 3 sisters. But tragedy struck early when his brother suddenly died during Tesla's childhood, deeply affecting the entire family. From a young age, Tesla was different. He was quiet, thoughtful, and lived inside his imagination. He could design entire machines in his mind without drawing anything on paper. At the age of 5, he started school in Smiljan. Later, he studied in Gospic and Karlovac, where he excelled in mathematics and physics. At 19 years old, he joined the Graz University of Technology to study engineering. He was extremely hardworking and often studied up to 20 hours a day. However, due to financial difficulties, he could not complete his degree. After that, he worked in several European cities, where he developed a deep understanding of electrical systems. In 1884, at the age of 28, he moved to the United States. There, he briefly worked with Thomas Edison. But their ideas were very different, so they soon separated. After that, Tesla began working independently and developed a revolutionary idea: alternating current, AC system. He discovered that if the direction of electricity keeps changing continuously, it can travel much farther than traditional systems. In 1893, at the Chicago World's Fair, his AC system powered the entire exhibition. For the first time, people saw the true power of efficient electricity. Then came his greatest project, Niagara Falls Power Project, where the power of flowing water was converted into electricity and transmitted over long distances. This moment changed the history of electricity forever. He also invented many other groundbreaking technologies: Tesla coil, induction motor, wireless energy concepts, and early ideas of radio communication. But as time passed, life became harder for him. Money became scarce, recognition came late, and he lived much of his life in isolation. In 1943, at the age of 86, Nikola Tesla passed away in a hotel room in New York City. But his ideas never died. Today's electrical systems, machines, and modern technology are all built on his work. A man who once saw electricity in his mind became the one who lit up the entire world. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.